I know for a fact na dahil dyan sa mga dangling wires, marami nang namatay na kuryente. Nakita nyo naman, walang exemption. Lahat ng syudad, nationwide, may problema sa dangling wires. Ano nakikita natin solusyon para ma-address ito?
On the part of the LGs, Mr. Chair, our initial comment on this, I think we recommend including the provisions of fund for the LGUs to effectively and efficiently implement the proposed measure.
Ano po yung proposed measure niyo?
I mean the pending legislation, sir, the proposed bills.
Okay, habang pending pa yung bill, for the meantime, ano po yung binibigay niyong solusyon muna? Kasi left and right, ma'am, nakita niyo naman, di ba?
Yes.
Marami ng kuryente. In fact, I think last month or couple of weeks ago, may pumunta sa programa ko na kuryente. Marami na. Hindi ko na mabilang yung mga namatay dahil dun sa mga dangling wires na.
Currently, Mr. Chair, the DILG has a Memorandum Circular 2023-115. It refers to the inspection and assessment of the structural integrity and safety of all poles and towers. As of now, what we can do is to strengthen the enforcement of this Memorandum Circular.
Ba't hindi nyo papatawag lahat ng mga mayors na mag-ikot, gumawa ng clearing operation? Yung mga wires na nakabitin-bitin, ayusin.
In coordination po with the LGUs and other concerned agencies. So, parang we implement po the government initiatives on road clearing operation, so including po yung relocation and removal po of utility poles that are encroaching the pedestrian and the other sidewalks po.